First, remove the top cover. Pry the cover out from the back and then pull it upwards. Remove the two nuts underneath. Next, remove the plastic expansion rivets from the interior trim. Then pull the interior trim away a little bit. Behind it, you can now see the last nut. Remove this nut too. Now, the taillight can be removed and unplugged. To disconnect, slide the red safety tab back a little. Then press the locking mechanism on the connector and disconnect the connector from the taillight. That's it. Good luck with your DIY project.